Guy got stopped. I mean, Nico got stopped. He can't come through. Check him out. You made it.
I almost took all my shit, but...
Dude, what happened?
They find your dirty magazines.
Any cameras, they always check your shit.
Everyone's gonna be vlogging the same thing this whole trip.
Oh, look at this.
Those, what do you call this?
Say hey, Dave.
No.
No.
Hey. Thanks for asking.
Thanks for asking.
I appreciate it.
I don't think there's actually edit all this stuff.
It's gonna stay in his computer for like 10 years.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna edit this.
Going up is easy. These ain't gonna bother you.
Yeah?
They're not. They only bother you if you bother them. Don't vibrate, don't fall.
Oh, the bees.
There are bees there?
Yeah. Just underneath. You see them flying around, but they don't bother you. Just go up.
Let's go, guys.
Did you just get bit? Oh no.
$50. I put on my.
Why are you panting, David?
He really wants that $50.
Yeah, but... I'm gonna need to take a shot then.
we could provide.
Ooh, I like this.